In this chapter, I'm going to show you some of the ways that you can use ASP.NET MVC to target the users that visit your site wielding mobile devices, devices such as cell phones, smartphones, and tablets. With more and more of these devices being sold every day, the mobile internet is rapidly growing, and you want to make sure that those users have a great experience on your site. The topic of mobile web development is quite broad and includes a lot of things that website producers need to consider as they create their sites. Perhaps the most important issue is how best to present information to your users. Consider the desktop web experience, where the browser has a nice big screen, web access is fast and reliable, and users can interact with applications using both a keyboard and a mouse. In sharp contrast, the mobile web experience is often limited to a small screen, web access is intermittent, and you only have your fingers to input data. These limitations invariably lead to selective content and a reduced feature set as compared to desktop browser-based applications, and you'll need to plan for these kinds of things in the UI that you present to your users. When developing for the mobile web, you basically have two options. You can either add views of your existing pages that are custom tailored to mobile devices, or you can create a new mobile application that is completely separate from the application that serves content to your desktop users. Many factors can influence which path you take, and both have their own advantages and disadvantages. However, the features that ASP.NET offers to you, the features that I'm going to be showing you in this chapter, aid in both of those workflows, so you're covered either way. One final note before we move on. Keep in mind that I'm showing you how to develop mobile applications on a desktop operating system. This is not a trivial concept because you can never be truly sure that your application will run on a mobile device until you actually test it on each device that you want to target. That aside, for the purposes of these videos, I'm going to continue to use Internet Explorer, but I will be using the development tools to resize the screen to the dimensions of a mobile browser, and changing the user agent string that the browser uses to identify it to that of a mobile device. For these videos, I'll be targeting the iPhone, using its screen resolution and user agent string. While this is not nearly the same as testing on an actual iPhone, it's close enough for the purposes of this course. However, should you require more advanced development capabilities, please look into many of the mobile device and mobile browser emulators available on the internet. And with that overview of the world of mobile web development, let's jump right into the next video in which I show you how to teach your existing site how to show mobile-specific content to the users who need it.